friends, my name is Kamal Pankhaniya from RoboFunLab, Porbandar. My model name is MR. MR is used for break and strike the object. I have used cam mechanism in this model to move MR up and down. Now let's hit this axle in 8 tooth gears. Let's see how many hits it needs. It needs 5 hits. Now let's see in 24 tooth gears. It needs 19 hits. Now let's see in 40 tooth gears. It needs 42 hits. The small 8 teeth gears need less hit because it has small base. But 24 tooth gears need many hits because it has big area. Now in 40 tooth gears it so many hits because it has more area. Thank you.